So this is problem 4. Again, there are some errors. Actually, there's no completion to do, it's just errors that need to be fixed. And we should be able to see those fairly easily, actually. Now, let's see if we can understand what's happening. It's the program is asking somebody to enter a number, and it's going to store it into a variable called num. It's then going to check if that number is greater than 50 or not, and if it is, it's going to type in, it's going to print out pass, otherwise it's going to print out fail. Some of this works quite fine. The top line is absolutely correct. The only problem we have here is that this variable name doesn't match that variable name. So I can either change this one to number or change that one to number, but they need to match. And when it comes to is bigger than 50, we have to use the comparators we saw before. When we looked at the lesson on the if statement, we said these are the only comparators we can use on the left here. So it is bigger than should simply be the greater than sign. That means it's greater than 50. That's greater than equal to, and these are the only comparators we can use in an if statement. So we have to get rid of this. We can keep 50 in, but is bigger than should simply be greater than 50. If number greater than 50, you want to do this. Now, as soon as you put the colon, the next line should automatically be indented, and it will do anything that's indented until it comes to a line which isn't indented, and then it will do everything which is indented here until it comes to a line which isn't indented. So if it's greater than 50, it will do this, print pass. Because I want it to print fail as a literal, oops, it needs to be in quotation marks, and that should do us. Let's see if it works. Let's run it. And here I've resized the window so it fits in, and we can see it's asking me to enter a number. If I type in 45, it should go down this route. It says, is it greater than 50? It isn't, so it's going to do the else bit, which should say fail. If I run it again and type in 99, it should say pass. And if I type in 50, because 50 isn't greater than 50, it will say fail. And that's that problem solved.